Hello everyone! Today I'm here with a very simple drawing of a cute cat. Two big circles for its eyes. A small nose and mouth. And now we'll draw the main shape of its head. Don't forget its ears. A small body and arms and legs. Turn off its tail. It looks like it's holding a heart-shaped ball. To make this cute cat more visible, we will color it with a bold marker. We use two colors, blue and green, for its eyes. Pink for its nose and ears. And orange for the lines on its body is a good and beautiful option. We use pink again for its fingers. A little yellow for this cute cat's belly. Finally, red is the best choice for this heart-shaped balloon.